Imagine a country governed by three leaders at once, each sworn to serve the same flag, each carrying a different history. This is Bosnia and Herzegovina, a place where peace was bought with partition, where unity was written into law and then shelved. The story begins with Sarajevo, the spark that lit a global war. Empires rose and fell. Borders were redrawn. For decades, Bosnia was part of a larger federation, a complicated patchwork of peoples and promises. But when Yugoslavia unraveled, old tensions exploded into a brutal war that would reshape the map and the lives of millions. In 1995, diplomats flew to Dayton, Ohio, to stitch a fragile peace. The price of stopping the bullets was partition, two entities with separate governments, and a unique solution at the top. A tripartite presidency, one leader for each major ethnic group. It was a compromise designed to keep the peace, one crafted more by fear than by hope. The presidency is both simple and baffling. Three members, elected by different constituencies, who rotate the chairmanship. On paper, it ensures representation. In practice, it often produces gridlock, different mandates, different audiences, one nation expected to move forward. Politics in Bosnia is fueled by memory. Nationalist leaders harness fear and grievance. Debates over flags, symbols, NATO membership, and constitutional reform are not abstract. They are the language of identity. When leaders compete for loyalty along ethnic lines, governance stalls and citizens pay the price. The cost of division is visible every day. Youth leave for better futures. Investment hesitates. Public services fragment. Ordinary life, jobs, schools, hospitals, carries away to a political system designed to prevent domination, but not to deliver prosperity. Bosnia's stability matters far beyond its borders. The European Union, NATO, and regional powers all have a stake. External actors can stabilize, incentivize, or complicate reform. Meanwhile, the Office of the High Representative remains a reminder that peace enforcement sometimes replaces local accountability. Yet, Bosnia is not only division. Around the fractures, people build bridges. Youth movements demand change. Artists, teachers, and entrepreneurs forge relationships that defy the headlines. These everyday acts of unity may be small, but they are the durable seeds of a different future. Bosnia's future is not pre-written. It can drift toward fragmentation or be steered by reformers, young civic movements, and pragmatic politicians. The question is not whether three presidents can exist. That is already reality. But whether those in power will choose the hard work of shared nationhood. Three presidents, one country, countless stories. Bosnia's experiment asks a question that matters to democracy everywhere. Can a nation hold difference without falling apart? If you want to understand how peace, power, and identity collide in one of Europe's most contested places, stay with us, subscribe, and share the story.